Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to change a Mini Cooper alternator. First, prioritize safety by disconnecting the negative battery terminal. This crucial step prevents any accidental electrical shorts or shocks while you work. Next, gather all your essential tools, including a serpentine belt tool, various wrenches, and socket sets. Always ensure the engine has completely cooled down before you begin, as hot components can cause burns. Taking these initial precautions will make the entire process much safer and smoother for you. Now, let's get to the alternator itself. You'll need to remove the front passenger wheel and then the fender liner to gain proper access to the engine bay. Once you have a clear view, locate the serpentine belt tensioner. Use your specialized tool to loosen the tension and carefully remove the serpentine belt from around the alternator pulley. After that, disconnect all electrical connectors attached to the alternator and unbolt its mounting hardware. There are typically 2 or 3 main mounting bolts to remove. With the bolts and belt removed, you can now carefully maneuver the old alternator out of its tight spot. It might require a bit of wiggling, but take your time to avoid damaging surrounding components. Once the old unit is out, bring in your brand new alternator. Position it correctly, ensuring all mounting holes align perfectly. Then, securely fasten all the mounting bolts. Finally, reconnect all the electrical connectors, making sure they click firmly into place for a reliable connection. For our final steps, carefully reinstall the serpentine belt, making sure it's routed correctly around all the pulleys and that the tension is appropriate. Then, reattach the fender liner and securely mount the front passenger wheel. Once everything is back in place, reconnect the negative battery terminal. Start your Mini Cooper's engine and observe the dashboard. The battery light should turn off, indicating your new alternator is charging the system correctly. Congratulations, you've successfully replaced your alternator.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.